Okay, wonderful. So hi everybody, I'm Randeep and I'm the founder of Compliance as a Service. I'm here today to talk to you about regulation done right. So fintechs and challenger banks are on a mission to disrupt, but they find it increasingly difficult to comply with regulations. They begin their journey faced with a tsunami of documents to trawl through and increased regulatory scrutiny, which can result in massive fines or even suspension. To combat this, firms are now having to assign up to 15% of their workforce to compliance. Getting it wrong creates operational risk and massive risk to entry. Getting it right, however, will equate to a competitive edge. Speaking to industry participants, we fintechs lack the tools and skills needed to interpret compliance, and they also find it difficult to deal with multiple regulations. We also found that the majority do not have an accurate way to quantify their compliance levels. And whilst incumbents were confident that they performed these tasks well today, they still want a joined up end-to-end solution. And this is why we developed Surety, to address the fundamental challenges of compliance whilst releasing significant resources in the process. The platform takes any form of regulation from any jurisdiction, interpreting the text into a set of compliance requirements, which are aligned to your organization. Each requirement is evidenced and scored, giving quantifiable compliance levels, and this is then used to report to senior management and regulators alike. From the industry, there is clear consensus that regulators want technology that drives better oversight. Incumbents want a solution that can adequately reflect the complexities of their organizations, and new entrants want efficient ways to get compliant whilst focusing on growth. And when we look at the competition, we see a marketplace very far from being saturated. We will compete on our vision to drive this solution to any regulated industry, not just financial services. We will also ensure that we offer a truly end-to-end platform that covers not only the compliance lifecycle, but also unlocks regulatory data intelligence. The overall opportunity here is considerable. Looking at just alternative lending, which is a slice of the overall industry, gives us a sum of $260 million in the UAE alone, and alternative lending is only 6% of the overall market. So we're starting out our efforts by securing LOIs, accelerators and regulators. This will provide an ecosystem through which we can engage directly with our target market, and in parallel, we continue to stand ourselves up as the thought leaders through content generation. Our investors are Dubai Fintech Ventures and Sigma, and through our partnership with SBC, we get direct access to startups. We have a POC in the works with a local authority, which gives us access to over 4,400 companies here in Dubai, and are in the process of landing POCs with 2 well-established money exchanges. Finally, we have become a featured service provider on the ADGM Digital Lab marketplace, which will be used by all firms regulated by the FSRA. I'm proud to say that we have a diverse team of professionals with nearly 100 years of combined experience spanning compliance, technology, financial control, business development, and marketing. And together, our mission is to drive CaaS to being the leader in digital compliance across the GCC. Our plan is to consolidate these markets within 2 years and then extend into other regions and industries. And by 2025, we aim to have onboarded over 1,100 clients, which is only 25% of the firms supervised in Dubai. I thank you very much for your time, and I welcome the opportunity to discuss this further offline. Thank you.